In this time, there is so much of disinformation which is being circulated across the border and also on the social media. So it's very important for us to follow and trust the authentic sources. Yesterday, what happened in a press conference, our Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri along with Colonel Sofia Qureshi and Wing Commander Vyomika Singh, they have shared few details with us on the ongoing developments regarding Operation Sindoor. So they said that on the night of 7th and 8th May, Pakistan has attempted to escalate the matter by militarily targeting parts of northern and western India using drones and missiles. But these were neutralized by the unmanned aerial system and other air defense system of ours. But in सभी attacks का मलबा भी काफी जगह से मिला है जो कि पाकिस्तान के अटैक को प्रूव भी करता है. And in retaliation of this event, with the same intensity, our Indian armed forces, they also targeted air defense radars in Pakistan, and in this process the air defense system at Lahore was being neutralized. किसी भी air defense system का main function क्या होता है कि वो enemy missile को identify करे, उसे track करे और उसे engage करे. इसमें radars, jammers and the air sirens, they are all parts of an air defense system. इसका मतलब है कि Indian Armed Forces ने लाहौर के air defense system को inactive कर दिया था. And along with this, the Pakistan is also increasing the intensity of unprovoked firing along the LOC, using mortar and heavy artillery. This was done in areas in Kupwara, Baramulla, Uri, Poonch, Mendhar and Rajouri sector in Jammu and Kashmir, which has again led to loss of 16 innocent lives, including 3 women and 5 children. Pakistan also launched a targeted attack on a Gurudwara in Poonch and the home of Sikh community members. The Pakistani troops, they have been constantly violating ceasefire along the LOC, and since then our Indian forces, they have been retaliating. But we are again reiterating our commitment to non-escalation, but it should be respected by the Pakistan military. And what Pakistan is saying on this, that only civilians were killed during the precision strike that we did. And India had made the point very clear that all the attacks, they were against carefully selected terrorist infrastructure, terrorist targets. But despite that clarification, the retaliatory actions by the Pakistan, it is now impacting our civilians. The original escalation was by Pakistan on 22nd of April in the form of Pahalgam attack. We are the ones who are responding to that escalation only. And worldwide, there is wide recognition of the government of India's right to respond to these attacks in self-defense. But we also desire to ensure that there is not further escalation. इसके अलावा जो भी misinformation circulate की जा रही है, a foreign secretary says that when the time is right, the official information will be shared. So trust that only. And this is a constantly evolving situation. Let's just pray that our soldiers and our civilians, all of them are safe. Stay safe, but stay alert also. Thank you.